Okay, next example guys. Nga kita ha acids luwas, acids and acids. Unahon tagalat acids. Kung abot ta basis kaya mo kasi concept ini. Tama ko but I will just focus on the 4 or the 2. Nabubulag na tag 2. So inilugod medyo nakita ko mga example ni habok nga malakas sila intindihon. I mean, for strong acids anay, sa strong acids anay kita. Strong acids and bases. So ito sa siguro acid, ito sa base. So himo acid, let's say hydrochloric. Hydrochloric, usually may dat nira ay ta napakorean ay siganta mole per liter, may da kita 1 mole per liter. Strong nito ya. Hydrochloric. You have hydrochloric acid, kay liquid man niya. So hydrochloric, let's say 25 ml. Nagtakos ka, this is liquid kay gas iniya talaga iti hydrochloric nga pure pero gintutunaw itiya or gin-dissolve itiya by Henry's law. Di ba? Compare na dissolve. Okay? So amo nito ang muriatic acid. So muriatic acid diri na tiya sa concentrated. This may dala tiya tubig luwat. So let's say concentration nato at muriatic acid is ada 0.1. It's already strong. 0.1 ml. 0.1 mole per liter. 0.1 ml. 0.1 mole per liter. And then let's say 25 ml of this. Nagkuha kita ng 25 ml. Usually gagamitan natin itong pipette. Kaya dapat din may talaga laboratory para na-imagine niyo yun imagine lang kita yun 0.1 ml na hydrochloric tapos nagkuha ka mo hin 25 ml ito tapos let's say gintunaw niyo 1 liter of H2O. Madalot niyo mo solvent nga 1 liter of H2O. And then usually the question is what is the pH? Or probably what is the concentration of your H3O+. Diba? So kami ito usually mga problem ito pH or nauna na ito H3O+ and pH. So ano ito yan? Ano niya chemical reaction ini? HCl plus H2O ma-dissolve diba? Ma-interact sa dissolve an acid. So usalay ni kaaro. Pag usalang kaaro, masayon. Para gapan solubility. Ano yung sodium chloride sa kaaro, iba problem ito. Kasi pakita ko na lang sa may problem. So mahiminin H3O+, and then you have your Cl negative. Okay? Or bangin, pakalculate itong PCl. Pwede. Diba? So, what will happen is that the pH is this one. So, di rin at kailangan mag-write in KSP. Why? Because all of this will dissolve. Will make into H3O and Cl. Waray masasalin na di because again, that is a strong acid. Sa amin karang signal ba sa mga strong acid, waray masasalin. Okay? So, anyway. So, let's say, so, init, concentration ini nga magiging hadi, nga magiging H2O, would just be meaning, pwede kita mag-calculate tayo in H3O plus, tikang han imo HCl. That is 0.1 mole per liter multiplied nimo han 25 times 10 to the negative 3 liters. So amo dayon init mole tapos i-divide nimo 1 liter nga tubig. Ini, kaamo tong state ng problem. Concentrated ini, usually bagay ito nag-aaso-aso inihiya ini. Bagay ito nag-aaso-aso tapos ihahalo nimo yan na sa kalitro nga tubig. So and then adi ito pag-compute. Waray ka na KS, waray ka na KA for this because this is an acid and base. So, may inabo. So, 0.1, so diretso na. Cancel adi, and then you would have a mole per liter of your H3O+. Which is actually equal also to your Cl. Kaya 1:1 man la. So, actually, this is also the concentration of your Cl negative. Okay? Diretso lera. Okay? Kay usaman la kada usay ni usaman ladi. So meaning ako sir pareho lerahan ni Cl nga natunaw. Okay, so that would be 0.1 times 25 exponent negative 2 negative 3 kml negative 3 and then divided by 1, so that would be a 2.5 times 10 to the negative 3 units would be mole per liter. So, pag-calculate nimo, amo na yung answer, H3O na itiya. So, pag-calculate nimo ang pH, which is also equal to your PCL, that would be a negative log of that answer, which is 2.6. That would be a 2.6 period. Or gap unit usually pH based on definition kasi ito ya. Or lang, pH is just number. 2.6. pH or PCL would be a 2.6. Okay? Next, another is for base. Imong talog na 0.25. 25 mole per liter. Ini solid kasi di mo sodium hydroxide. Kung sodium hydroxide aton, so na matter na talaga iya kung ano yung ginistoryahan. Ito da, nag-specify ito problem kung solid, kung liquid, kung gas. Let's say, nagtunaw kita sodium hydroxide nga 1 gram. Himo ta na lang 1.2 sir para bagay iba. 1.2 grams of sodium hydroxide and we dissolve it in 1 liter of H2O. So again, in representation, your sodium hydroxide will give an OH negative, and then it will have the sodium plus. So actually, may dini kwantida nga ini nga OH ma-react lang dito mo H2O. Ana mo na tiyat magiging H3O. Kaya hindi mo base, pwede mo makalculate from pH actually. Pwede. Amit napalit po nga iya. Pwede mo tiya makalculate from pH kay because ani mo OH kasi makontrol lang tiya pH. Awit ni mo H+. Nga mahimiran water. Kita niya? Anyway, usually problem with this is, let's say, what is your OH concentration? What is your OH concentration and what is your Na probably concentration? Or probably your POH and your PNA. 4. So, meaning, waray ini constant, diretso kala. So, that would be the 1.2 grams. I-divide mo lang niya dayon ng imo sodium hydroxide nga molar mass. Makadi ka molar mass. Sodium is Na. Hanap yung sodium nga ba? Didi. Diba? Sodium is 22,989. So, 22,989. 22,989 plus oxygen, 22.989 plus oxygen, 15.999 plus 1.008 for your sodium hydroxide, that is 39,996. 39.996 gram per mole. So, kung nausa ka liter ng tubig, that is 1 liter. So, this is now the concentration of your sodium hydroxide. Okay, which is also the concentration of your OH negative and also the concentration of your sodium plus. Kaya waray man ito dito, iba 1:1 man laya. So again kung mag-balance nga may mga number dito, nag-iiba na inira. Amo lang dito medyo malipong dito. Pero of course, kung nakakaintindi ka mo, masayang lagyapon. Kay calculator, ba't na-calculate? Diri man ka mo. Ito, importante ini nga gitsusurat an chemical equation. Kay by that, you can see kung tagpira ka number, iti bubutang di. Nakakatuman lang, ang masurusay yung aton problem. Okay? So, that you would have a 1.2 tapos divided by 39.996 divided by 1, so okay na tiyak. So that would be 0.03 unit would be mole per liter. So check na may daka na, and then the POH and the pH is still the same. The POH and the PNA would be equal. That is the negative log of that answer. So that would be 1.52. 1.52. Okay? I'll double check it. So, 0.0300 naman sa 0.03. Tapos, negative log of answer. That would give us 1.52 for your POH, which is also equal to your PNA. Na, the p-value of your sodium ion. Okay? So, 1.52 nga din 3. Ini din ni, answer ni is, sir, 30 ba? 3, may sunod niya nga 3, 003. So, the answer is 30. Actually, aton answer. Itong 3 la good, that is 3 over 10. 3 over 1,000. 3 over what? 10,000. Ito point 3 la. So, ito ang case. 3 divided by 10,000. That is sobra. 0.03 is 1, 1, 2. 1,000 na 1,000. Ay, nako. 3 divided by 100 is 0.3. 3 divided by 1,000. Diba? 3 divided by 1,000. That should give you your 0.03. 1, 2, ay sorry. 100 lang pala. 3 divided by 100. Your 0.03. So, dito, 0.033 lang talaga ang answer ito. Pero kung so din nga may dapat 003, so buligan 0. Okay? So our answer ihaton shading is 3 and 0. So that will be C and then CE. So C lagi hapon as if may 0. But kung pakiana is POH, that should be 1, 5. That would be A and A, B, C, D, E. A and E. Okay? So that is for strong acids and bases. Okay? So thank you for listening. Next is the weak acids and